We're doing some internal anode motor work today, and that's what we pulled out. The question is, how do you get it off there? So we're gonna cover that and a couple other little motor techniques this morning. Stay tuned. Wire brush here. What we're gonna do is just polish this old anode to try to get access to the bolt underneath here. Not bad. Put a little nut buster on there, loosen it up, and we're gonna hit it again. I'm gonna use a ratchet, 8mm. It'd help if I was going the right way. And just like that. Now we could do a whole nother video on how to get these things out safely. This is at 500 hours on 2023 motors. But yeah, sometimes it can be a little bit of a hassle. This is a real easy way to get access to them and pull these out and get them replaced.